Hello all, welcome to Srivarna Sarees. Today I am going to show Arpita cotton sarees. Pure cotton saree, thick green color with ash color design, ash color and red color border part. Overall saree look. This is the pallu part. Pallu part. Overall saree. Green color saree with ash color design, ash color and red color border part, and this is the blouse. Saree number 1. Overall saree look. Saree wear cheste ila untundi. Overall saree look. Take a screenshot. Saree number 1 and saree number 2. Thick brinjal color saree with a small design. Brinjal color saree with a small design. Overall saree look. Arpita cotton sarees. Overall design. This is the border part. This is the pallu part. Overall saree look. And this is the blouse. Take a screenshot. Saree number 2. Saree wear cheste ela untundi. Overall saree look. Saree number 2. Take a screenshot. Thick brinjal color saree and the price 550 rupees only. 550 rupees. Color combinations ఎలా ఉన్నాయనేది కామెంట్ చేయండి. ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ మై ఛానల్. అండ్ థర్డ్ వన్ అర్పితా కాటన్ శారీ, బ్లూ కలర్ శారీ విత్ మెరూన్ కలర్, రెడ్ కలర్, బ్లూ కలర్, ఎల్లో కలర్ కాంబినేషన్ డిజైన్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద border part. Overall saree look. This is the pallu part. This is the pallu part. Arpita cotton saree, pure cotton saree, very comfortable in summer season. Beautiful design, excellent color combinations. This is the blouse. Saree number 3. Overall saree look. Take a screenshot. Saree number 3. Saree overall saree look. Take a screenshot. Saree number 4. Like parrot green color saree with drums design, leaves, blue color, orange color, red color leaves design, ash color border part. Overall saree look. Excellent color combination, fish design, and this is the pallu part. Saree number 4. Take a screenshot. And this is the blouse. Parrot green color blouse and saree overall look. And the price 550 rupees only. Color combinations ఎలా ఉన్నాయనేది కామెంట్ చేయండి. ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ మై ఛానల్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.